Hello there. Welcome to the Finbus channel. Today I am going to look at LG Balakrishnan and Brothers as a swing trading pick. The stock has been building momentum considerably for the past few days. Yesterday, the stock rose around 10% with a volume of above 6 lakhs. Let me take you through a presentation where I will be telling you why this makes a very good swing trading pick and there is considerable upside for the shares for a swing trader. Let us go to the presentation. LGB is a small cap company with around 800 crores in market capitalization. It manufactures automotive roller chains and it has around 16 plants across India. It is headquartered in Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. It is the first company to receive an ISO 9001 certification in India. 10% of the sales of the company come from exports. Some more preliminary facts about this particular company. The company, as I've already told you, is a small cap company with a valuation of around 700 crore rupees. One of the most important factors to be considered about this particular company is that it is having a very low PE of 7 versus an industry PE of 17, which means that the company is trading at very low valuations now. And if we consider the industry PE, the average industry PE, the company has got only a PE of 7, which makes it an attractive buy. The dividend of the company is around 50% of face value, and it has got an earnings per share of rupees 32. Dividend yield of the company is around 2.24% on market value per share. The company has registered a healthy rise in sales throughout the last 5 years, in spite of the year 2020, where the auto ancillary industry and the auto industry has experienced considerable slowdown. In the year 2016, the company has registered a sales of 1205, 2017 1258, 2018 1418 crores, and in 2019 a considerable increase in sales to 1688. So the company is doing well in the sales front, and that shows a very good sign regarding the fundamentals of the company. The net profit of the company has also risen steadily from 2016. If we take the data for the last 5 years, from 65 crores to 74 crores in 2017 to 88 in 2018, and registering a high of 96.63 in 2019. And in 2020, as we have already seen with the sales, it was a very bad year for the auto and auto ancillary industry. So it was the macroeconomic factors that was in play during 2020, and that was an understandable dip in net profit. Otherwise, the company has registered healthy rise in profits. So we can conclude that with regard to sales and net profit, the company is doing very well, and there is nothing to worry with regard to keeping the stock in your portfolio. Even if you are trying to change your mind with a swing trading approach and trying to hold to the stock for a longer period of time. If we construct a price tree of this particular stock with the historic prices, we can see that the highest point towards which the stock has moved is 650 in June 2018. Now the stock is hovering around 235 to 245 after a major movement which went up to 255 on 30th of June. Now, how the stock is going to move up, we can see that there is a strong resistance at 345 with minor resistance between 245 and 345. So a person who is entering into this particular stock can fix an initial target of 275 rupees, and after that he can trade with a trailing stop loss, and up to 300 rupees, the stock is expected to have the same kind of momentum. At 345, the stock experiences a strong resistance, and if crosses 345, it can move up to 400 rupees, where it again has a strong resistance. And there is a price stoppage at 500 rupees, where the stock has tended to move sideways for a considerable period of time. And again, a strong resistance appears at 540 rupees. So, as a swing trading strategy, now we can look to enter into this stock for an initial target of 275, and after that we can trade with trailing stop losses, and we can expect this particular stock safely to move to 300 rupees in the coming trading sessions, maybe within a span of 1 month. If we look at the simple moving averages of this stock, the stock is very bullish, as we can see that the current market price of the stock is above all the five considerable simple moving averages of 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, 50-day, and 100-day. The only moving average which is currently above the current market price is the 200-day long-term simple moving average, which is expected that the stock will be breaching in the upcoming trading sessions. So as we can see, the stock has experienced clear breakouts, and if the momentum continues, the stock is going to behave in a bullish fashion, and we can expect our price targets to be touched. If we see the directional index of this particular stock, we can see that the positive DI, which is depicted by the green line, is considerably getting stronger than the negative DI. The positive DI is now around 37 as compared to the negative DI, which is at 11. And we can conclude that the positive momentum in the stock is at least 2 times stronger than the negative momentum. And the ADX line, which depicts the trend, the ongoing trend, is also getting stronger. The relative strength index of this particular stock is also rising and is now near to 70. And when stocks considerably move up, the RSI tend to go beyond 70, and that also is an additional confirmation of our take that this particular stock is going to move into higher territories in the coming days. Seems to be a good swing trading pick to me. I am buying on dips. I hope this video was useful to you. Until we see next time. Bye bye and take care. This is Shamil Sajjad. See you next time.